Hi, everyone. My name is Elizabeth. I'm with Electrify DC. Thank you so much for signing up for Sunday in DC, our very first event this year, 2025. And Sunday in DC is happening all over the district. And so, to make it a little bit easier for you to navigate to different solar hubs and solar sites, I'd like to show you our map. So, right now, I am just at our Sunday in DC webpage, which is sundayindc.org. This has a lot of great resources on it. Particularly, again, I'm going to show you our map. So right at the top here, just going to click on the map button. You're going to scroll down. You see all of these homes, all of these people who have signed up to show off their incredible electrification and solar in their homes. And so say, you're like want to visit a home that's near you and you live in let's say I live in Ward 4. So you can scroll in here if I go the right way. You can scroll in, you can click lower left-hand corner, zoom in, zoom out. You can say you live in Manor Park and you would like to visit this home right here. Go ahead and click on it. It will tell you the address. There's a person who has signed up to show off this house, who will hopefully be, out in front, kind of talking to people about what their process was, how it was maybe working with Solar Solution, their solar installer, the type of roof that they have and if they have an EV charger or not, and also the type of residence. So there's a lot of information in here. If you're just interested in checking out homes near you, this is a great way to do it. Just go straight into the all homes map. Now, if there's something that if you're looking for a little bit more detail, a little bit more specificity, perhaps you're looking for home type. Perhaps you're interested only really in homes that are single, like row homes. So right here, so this is all color coded. And so if you click on the purple homes, you'll see that all of these purple homes are row homes. And again, you will see an address. You can see what ward it's in. Purple homes, row homes, yellow homes, single family homes, green homes, multifamily. What other colors are there? Orange. Ooh, condo apartment. Did I already do green? Yes. Is there blue? No, it's just the Benning Road electric vehicle charging station, which is very cool. Only one in the district. Now, say you've talked to someone, you're like, oh, I have this particular roof type and I'm nervous about getting solar panels installed on my roof type. You can click on, there's a map for that. You can click on that map, scroll in either by scrolling up or down with your mouse or clicking down here, zoom in, zoom out. And again, this is color coded. So say down here, this is a mixed roof type, and you want to check that out, see what kind of mix they have going on. This one is a flat roof type. If you have a flat roof type, you want to see what that installation would look like, you can visit these orange homes, which all have flat roof types. Yellow homes, if I scroll in a little bit more, it will let me click on a yellow home, pitched roof. So if you have a pitched roof home and you're curious about what installation looks like on that, you can visit the yellow homes, which are pitched roofs. If you're particularly interested in home batteries, look at that. There's a map for that. The blue sort of like pins that you're seeing here are solar hubs. So there's one for each ward. So again, you can click on the home battery little house icon and it will tell you the address and you can stop by and check that out. Fully electrified, homes without gas at all. Incredible. Again, all over the district. Say you live in Capitol Hill and you're like, ooh, G Street, so close. I want to go look at that. You can. If you're interested in electric vehicle chargers and talking to a homeowner or a home renter who has an EV charger, there's a map for that. Look at this. Beautiful orange little home electric vehicle charging icons right there in Petworth. Yeah, and this website has a lot of resources on it, but since this is a spatial event happening all over the city, also educational, obviously. This is a great resource for you to kind of plan your day and see what sort of homes you would like to check out and what sort of questions you have going on about installing solar or other electric infrastructure in your home. Thank you so much for watching and have fun on our very first Sunday in DC.